Hello friends and Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have just done many of the things using Python and artificial intelligence, and I hope you are understanding and enjoying that video. So with Python artificial intelligence video, I am also doing the DSA video, like you all know that. So previously we have just done the project using Python and artificial intelligence. So today we will be doing the work on DSA, and today I will be explaining you that how to just work on DSA and how we'll be just building this. So like in the previous video, we have just done many of the DSAs in Python video, and moving forward, I will be telling you that what we are just building. We are using Python in artificial intelligence or DSA. So start to it, I will be telling you that things. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video also of Python. So if you enjoy and if you understand this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see all the coming up videos, and share this video so more people can learn and they can understand about these things, like how to build projects using Python and artificial intelligence, how to work with DSA in Python when you are just working with. And you can also check my all the previous videos which I have covered up, because that will give you help if you want to learn about that from start, because that are totally for beginners. And if you just see that video, so you will be learning many of the things like how to use data science, machine learning, and how to build projects using that languages that are advanced level language. But if you see it focusedly and build projects by doing some practice, so it will be really easy for you to build project by using that advanced languages that are only advanced language. But if you just practice that all languages, and if you make things by your own by using that languages, so it will be easy for you to build big projects like websites, portfolios, and clothes and all the stuff. I will be also bringing up Python Django tutorial in future when we'll be covering up these all artificial intelligence project. And I will be also bringing up Python frameworks like Django and like I'm telling you Flask. So we'll be working on that as well. And you can also suggest me in the comment what tutorial I should bring up. So I will be doing tutorial on that projects on that language as well, and building project as well. You can also tell me our tutorial should be project based or normal tutorial in which I just give you detail about different tags. And just also you can ask any questions or queries about these projects which I am building through my comment section, or you can ask it personally through my contact links which I have given you, like through my Gmail or my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can ask me anywhere, because I am active on every social media platform. So now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that today we are just what building in Python and what thing we'll be using here in this video from start to end. So just like I'm telling you that we are just building an amazing project using Python in artificial intelligence, and like in the previous videos we have just built a project of a student management system, and I hope you understand that today we are building a school management system, and I will be telling you how we are building this project from start. So for building this school management system, I will be opening my VS Code, and after opening the VS Code, I will be now closing all these files which I am getting here, and then I will be opening my folder. After opening this folder, I will be moving on to desktop, and this is our folder which is called select folder. And today, like I've telling you, we are building a school management system. So we'll be now starting with our project. So these are the codes which I'm getting. I'll be removing this and writing my own codes. Like you all know that when we are working with Python, so we have to just now remove the codes, and we have to just save the file with the name of .py in the end. You can just give any of the name at the start, but .py in the end you have to write it. Really, it is really important to write. So you can just save it as Python file format. Now here I will be importing some of the things, like I will be writing importing Tkinter, import like this. Then I will be now just moving down and write here import. Here I will be now just writing from Tkinter, because of that it is giving error. Now I'll be writing SQLite 3, right here comma sys. Then write here dev connection, make this bracket here and write here try. And in try I will be now writing on is equals to SQLite. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here connect. After writing connect, here I will be writing student DB. So you have to now just write here student DB like this, which is the data. Then I will be now writing accept, and in accept you have to just write this tag. Here I will be now doing SQLite 3. So here I will be writing. Then you have to just write print, and in print I will be writing here cannot. So here I will be writing cannot connect to the database. Then you have to just move down, right here return, and here I will be writing return connect value. Then you have to just write here def verifier. Then you have to just make this tag here, move down, right here a is equals to b, c, d, e, f. Then you have to just write here e first of all, f. Then here you have to write is equals to 0 if not student underscore name dot get. And then you have to make this bracket here, and here you have to write t1 dot insert, and here I will be just writing and comma value. Then you have to make this open close, right here student name is required, Then I will be just writing this tag, write \n. Then you have to just write here a is equals to 1. Then write here if not, and then write here roll number dot get value. Then you have to make this tag and then move down, write here t1 dot insert. Then I will be now just writing here and comma. Then I will be now just writing here roll number is required. And then you have to just now make this tag right here \n. Then I will be now moving here and then writing here b is equals to 1. And then you have to write here if not roll number. And then you have to now just write here a tag which should be like dot get. Then I will be making a tag which should be like t1 dot insert value. And in insert value I will be now just writing and comma and write here branch is required. So here I will be now writing here. Then you have to now close it by writing this tag. Write here c is equals to 1. Write here if not. Then write phone dot get and make this bracket here. Then I will be now just writing here t1 dot insert. And here I will be just writing and dot. And then you have to make this tag. Write here father name is required. So here I will be writing. And then you have to make this tag. Close this tag here. Then write here d is equals to 1. Write here if not. Then you have to write here father dot get again. Then you have to move down again after this tag. Write here t1 dot insert. Then you have to now just write here and comma. Write here father. Or you can say here I will be now just moving at the top, and here I will be writing phone. And then I will be writing here phone number is required. So after writing this thing, here I will be now writing here father name is required. Then I will be now closing this by writing this end tag here. So here you have to write e is equals to 1. Write here if not, write address dot get. Make this tag, write here t1 dot insert. So here I will be writing end value. Then write here address is required. And then here I will be now writing here like this. Here you have to make this tag. Then I will be now writing this \n. Write here f is equals to 1 if a is equals to 1. So here I will be writing this, or b is equals to 1, or c is equals to 1, or d is equals to 1, or e is equals to 1. Like this I am writing, and we have written the value till f. So I will be writing f 2 is equals to 1. Then write here return value 1. So we will be getting the return value of 1. Then write here else value. And in else value you have to define the return 0 value. So I will be writing return value 0. Then you have to now just write here def add student. And here I will be now writing here add student. Write here ret is equals to verifier. Then you have to now just make this tag here like this. Write here if ret is equals to 0 like this. Then you have to now just write the value of connect is equals to connection. Then make this bracket here, and after writing this, here I will be now just writing the connection value we have written. So after writing this connection value, you have to define this cursor value is equals to connect dot cursor. Then make this bracket here. Here you have to write cur dot execute. And in execute I will be now just closing this, because here we will be not needing this. Then here I will be writing create table, and here I will be writing if not exists. Then I will be writing here students, and you can see we have just written the value of create table if not exists student. Then here we will be writing name text. So here I will be writing name text roll underscore number, and then I will be writing here integer, because it is in number value, so it should be integer. So I have written this integer. Then you have to write here branch. So I will be now writing all the things in capital. So write here branch text. Then I will be writing here phone number. So write here underscore phone number integer, because it is also in number. So I will be now writing here phone number integer. After writing this integer value, you have to now just simply write here the integer value, and then here we will be writing father as well. So I will be now just writing the father value. It is the text value, so I will be writing here text. Then you have to now just write here address value. Address value is also in text. After writing this value, here you have to just close this tag here. So I will be now closing it and writing this colon. After closing this tag here, you have to now just do one thing. Like here we have to define all the things which we have not defined here. So I will be now defining the cursor execute here again, but in small I will be writing cursor execute. Then I will be now just writing the value of insert into students value. Then I will be now just writing here values, and in values I will be writing this, and then here you have to now just write this value. When you just written this, write here comma, student, and here in student I will be writing the value of name dot get, and here you have to write comma, then right here init means integer value, right here roll number dot get value, then make this bracket here. After creating this you have to write here branch value should be dot get, and then after doing this here I will be making this comma again, right here integer value again this time. After writing this integer value I will be now just writing here the value of branch dot get, which we have just written now. So now when you just written that value, here you have to write in integer phone dot get again, like we have written address dot get, then 2 comma, here you have to write father dot get, you have to write here, and then here I will be making this bracket again. After creating this, here you have to now just create the comma here after the 2 brackets, right here address dot get again, like we have written at the branch dot get. Then after writing this tag here you have to now close both tags here. You have to don't write anything here, just close it and move down. Then I will be writing commit value here, and after writing the commit value you have to write close value, make this bracket here, then write here t1 dot insert. After writing t1 dot insert you have to write add, and right here added successfully. So here I will be now writing successfully like this. Here we have to write backslash n as well, but in small. So here I will be now writing here. After writing this value you have to now just move down, right here def view student value, and here I will be now moving right here view student, then make this bracket here. You have to write connect value connection, then you have to now move down, right here cursor is equal to connect dot cursor, make this bracket here, then I will be writing cursor execute, then I will be now making this tag, right here select value from student. Then after writing this here you have to write data is equals to cursor, then I will be writing fetch all and make this bracket, and then you have to now just write here connect close and make this bracket, right here for I in data, then I will be now just writing t1 insert, and here I will be writing n.str and make this bracket here, right here I tag plus backslash n. Then you have to now just move at the back, right here def delete student. So here I will be now writing this, make this bracket, then move down, right here rat is equals to verifier, then you have to now move down, right here if rat is equals to 0, then I will be now just writing here connect is equals to connection, make this bracket, here you have to write cursor value connection dot cursor, make this bracket, and then you have to just write here cursor dot execute, and in execute value I will be now just writing delete from students. So here I will be now writing delete from students where roll number, then I will be now just writing here is equals to question mark here. After writing this you have to write comma and write here init value, and then write here roll number. So I will be now just making this tag, right here roll number dot get, make the bracket here, and then you have to write comma, and then you have to just now do one thing, you have to close this tag again here. After closing this value we have to now write commit value here. So I will be now moving down, right here connect dot commit value, make this bracket, right here connect dot close, and then make this also, right here t1 insert value, and in insert value I will be writing add successfully. So here I will be now writing here successfully deleted the user, then in small I will be writing backslash n. So after writing this you have to now write the update student. So I will be writing this, then after writing update student, make this bracket, move down, right here rat is equals to verifier, and after creating this just you have to write here if rat is equals to, then I will be writing here 0. So I will be giving not a space here, move down, right here connect is equals to connection, make the bracket here, and then you have to move down, right here cursor is equals to connect dot cursor value, then I will be making this bracket here, right here cursor execute value here, and in the value I will be writing here update student. So here I will be writing update student set name. So here I will be now writing here is equals to like this. Now when you've written these all values you have to just now save these all values which we have written directly. After saving this value you have to run it. So for running I will be opening command prompt. So our folder was on desktop and our folder name was school management system. So I will be now just writing school management system in Python. Then you have to just write here the file name which is student management, or you can say student manage.py. Then press enter. You can see now here it will be not showing here because we have to run it. So for running you have to just open your desktop, and then our folder was here, school management. Then when you will be now opening this, so it will be opening here, but we have to open through the Python uh, thing. So you can see when you will be opening, you can see we are just getting this school management system working. So I will be now moving here to my VS Code. After moving to the VS Code, you can see it is saying that student name, roll number, all the things is required. If I show you, you can see this. So I will be just doing one thing. I will be moving down, and you can see it is saying that I did successfully. Okay, so here I will be moving down. Here I will be changing the name to school management. Save it. Now here I will be just now moving in this tag. Close it again. Then if I run it this time, so I will be now running it. By running it, you can see now we are just getting a school management system. So now you can set it here. You can add the student name. Like if I write my name, roll number, anything like 2. If I write branch number 6, then I will be now just writing the phone number value like this. You can randomly write any of the phone number. Then you can just write the father name like this I've written. Then address you can write like this Karati I've written. Then press add student. So this student has been added here. Now when this student has been added, so I'll be pressing view all students. So like this you can view all these students, and you can delete a student as well by pressing this delete button. If you want to update their info, you can press this button to update, and if you want to close, you can directly close it by writing this. So like this, we have just built this amazing school management system. I hope you understand how we have built this amazing school management system in Python, and I hope you understand this video, how we have just worked in this video from the start. If you have just done, and if you understand this video like how we have just done projects in that, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand about these projects, how to build it using Python and artificial intelligence. So just I'll be doing next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.